All right, hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Stripe account, assuming you haven't already. So all you have to do is just go to settings here, and we're going to go to integrations. And these are the different integrations that we have on ConvertLabs currently. So to connect Stripe, all you're going to have to do is click on this connect button, and you'll be able to then receive payments from Stripe. So basically, Stripe will hold all of your customers' credit card data securely, and ConvertLabs will essentially just tell Stripe, when and who to charge. And that money will then show up in your Stripe account, which can then get deposited into your business checking account. So just go ahead, click this connect button. It will prompt you if you already have a Stripe account. You can utilize one of your existing Stripe accounts, or you can also add a Stripe account to an existing Stripe account. Or if you've never used Stripe before, you can go through and just create a brand new account. As a quick note, if you do not have your business set up with an LLC as an example, and you do not have an EIN number, it's totally fine. You can create a Stripe account using your social security number, and at any point later on, when you receive your EIN and your LLC information, you can then just add that into Stripe, and it'll change from a personal to a business account. And there's no changes to your account. So that's all you'd really have to do. So go to settings, integrations, connect, and you'll get a free Stripe account. There is a processing fee, 2.9% plus 30 cents typically for Stripe, but that's pretty typical for most credit card processing companies. So if you get stuck with anything, reach out. We're here to help. hello@convertlabs.io. Thanks.